Hi, my name is Seth Keller. I live in Atlanta, Georgia, and today is January 10th, 2011, and I just saw the most amount of snow I've ever seen in my entire life here. Here we go. Put a shirt on.
Look at the snow on my truck. Get a picture of my truck.
I'm getting a video. If you don't mind. If you don't mind. There's no nudity on YouTube. Yep, here we go. If you can see my car right here, I went over there earlier, and there's about 5 or 6 inches of snow on the roof, on the windshield and everything, so I can't leave. And guess what? It's still coming down. Yep. Atlanta, Georgia never really sees snow that often. In fact, hardly ever. Maybe once or twice a year. So we're all pretty excited about it.